You're in the grocery store, the supermarket, and you are at the sauce aisle. 2 jars, same flavor, same size, one is cheaper. The other says 100% recyclable. Which one goes in your cart? Well, we all say we care about the planet, but what does actually decide our buying decision? In the next few minutes, I'll talk about what shoppers really weigh first, when sustainability makes the decision, and how to make your packaging do the selling without a lecture. Let's be honest, shoppers check 3 things first. First, price, second, quality, third, convenience. That's non-negotiables. Sustainability still shows up, but usually after those basics. So the question isn't green or not, it's does the pack win the basics first? Here's where it gets interesting. When 2 products feel equal on value, the clear, specific sustainability claim wins the decision. Not a paragraph, not a manifesto, just a simple, credible line. This pack is recyclable, made with recycled content, less plastic, same product. Honest, specific, easy to spot. People don't buy sustainability instead of value. They buy it on top of value. Think of it as a trust signal. It makes the choice feel better when everything else is equal. And that's marketing plus operations working together. Responsible materials, clear claims, no guilt trap. There is a gap between what shoppers say and what they do under real prices, real habits, real time. So skip the vague promises. Use clarity over complexity. A bad claim moves no one. A clean batch can move enough. So what to do with your pack? Make it win on the basics first. Is it easy to open and store? Does it look clean and modern? Does it protect and preserve the product? Then layer the signal, one clear sustainability claim placed where the eye naturally lands. Gravier used to have a sustainability problem. Chrome issues, setup waste, slow approvals. It looked that Gravier was stuck in the past. But that story is changing. In this video, 3 shifts making Gravier cleaner, faster and cheaper at the same time. A safer chrome process, smarter mockups and real standardization on press. I'll show you what to change, where to start and what results to expect. So here is the old picture. Legacy chrome chemistry, too many physical proofs, every reprint felt like a new job. Waste in approvals, waste on press, waste in time. Now let's flip that. First, Chrome Neo. For years, cylinder chrome made sustainability a headache. Regulatory friction, safety concerns in the cylinder room. Chrome Neo changes that. You keep the hard, smooth surface Gravier needs on your press and move away from the legacy chemistry everyone's trying to phase out. Result? Fewer compliance debates, easier approvals with brand teams, and a cleaner, safer workflow without giving up on durability or print stability. Second, digital mockups. Physical proofs still matter for final color, tactile effects, and special finishes. But most design decisions don't need paper on the table. With digital mockups, teams compare versions on a call, decide in minutes, seconds, then order one focused physical proofs at the end. You cut wasted prints, you cut shipping, you speed every brief, every redesign, every promotion. Do 90% of the debate on the screen, then print once on purpose. Number 3, standardization. The quiet sustainability wins. When the team uses the same cylinder specs, the same screen strategy, the same edge details, the same startup steps, repeat jobs behave the same every time. Your setups get shorter. You burn fewer meters to hit color. Blade changes drop. Downtime drops. And when a job returns a month later, it starts clean and hits the target fast. That's real money saved and less waste leaving on your press. A quick example. A snack brand runs seasonal promos with tight launch windows. Before, 3 physical proof rounds, hot potato emails, you know them, long setup on each rerun. After, the future. Chrome Neo in cylinders, digital mock-ups for design iterations, and a standardized start procedure on press. And the result? 1 physical proof per promotion, 2 hours safe per setup, and a clean sustainability narrative the retailer actually liked. Print quality held, timelines held, waste dropped. Will Chrome Neo affect wear or tone stability? No. The point is maintaining surface performance while cleaning up the chemistry profile, right? Do digital mock-ups risk color surprises? Not if you treat them as decision filters first, not final color. Keep 1 calibrated physical proof at the end. Fine. Standardization kills flexibility. Wrong target. You standardize the repeatable parts so you can be flexible on where it really matters. So how to implement in 30 days? Week 1, audit cylinders and chemistry. Identify where Chrome Neo could potentially slot in first. Week 2, formalize digital mock-up rules. What gets decided on screen and what gets decided on paper. Week 3, write 1-page press standards. Cylinder specs, screen strategy, edge details, startup steps, and share them or align with your engraver. Week 4, run a pilot job, measure setup waste and approval cycle, and look in the wins. Put these 3 together and the picture is clear. Chrome Neo reduces risk and keeps cylinder performance high. Digital mockups remove rounds of trial and error before it ever reaches the press. And standardization trims the waste that happens on press and between your jobs. The result? A gravier workflow that's easier to defend on sustainability without sacrificing print, quality or speed. So make the change once and benefit on each and every job. Gravier isn't stuck in the past. With a better Chrome process, smarter approvals and consistent press practice, you cut waste, launch faster and just tell a cleaner story while keeping the reliability Gravier is known for.